Guten Tag und herzlich willkommen auf meinem YouTube-Kanal German Made Easy from Scratch. Heute habe ich vor, ein bisschen Spaß mit Pronomen zu haben. In meinem letzten Video haben wir schon die Pronomen gelernt und jetzt ist es Zeit, ein bisschen Spaß mit den Pronomen zu haben. So, los geht's. Ich werde das auch auf Englisch erklären, damit ihr mich verstehen könnt. Today we're going to have a bit of fun with pronouns. I've explained all the pronouns in my last video, but we now need to put them really into a bit more action so that you're able to become proficient with your pronouns. Don't forget to like and subscribe if you want to learn more about pronouns. And if you've already subscribed to my channel and already continued to put likes up, thank you very much. Vielen Dank. Wortstellung. This is the with pronouns, right? This is the bit that you really need to know. When both objects are nouns, the dative comes first and the accusative comes second. Look how it happens. Ich schenke meinem Freund einen Kuli. Right, there you have your dative case. Now, just to explain your dative case again, your M, R, M, N in the plural and N onto the noun. Now, I use this line, Michael reads my new notes. So M for Michael, that's my M masculine, reads R feminine, my M neuter, N new, N plural, dative plural, and then the N onto the dative plural noun. So that might help somebody out there. Back to the point in hand. Ich schenke meinem Freund einen Kuli. So here we have an M here, and then we must have to put an M here. So ich schenke ihm, and then the masculine accusative must also have an N. So we have ich schenke. So ich schenke ihm, and then ihn. But then we have to put it in the correct word order. And the correct word order, which is rule number 1, you put the accusative first and the dative second. So ich schenke ihn, ihm. So that sounds the same as in English. I give it to him. As opposed to the noun, when you see it, when the noun, ich schenke meinem Freund einen Kuli, the dative comes first. I give to my friend a biro, which sounds wrong in English, and which it is, but in German it doesn't. But again, this sounds wrong here, completely wrong in German, so you have to swap it around again. So ich schenke ihn, ihm, when the accusative comes first and the dative comes second. And for you English speakers out there, if that is no problem. When both objects are personal pronouns, the accusative comes first and the dative second. So there you have it there. Okay, that's your rule. When one object is a noun and the other is a personal pronoun, the pronoun comes first regardless of case. For example, ich schenke ihn meinem Freund. Ich schenke ihn meinem Freund. So the pronoun comes first. Now, regardless of case, the pronoun comes first when you have a mixture. This is where the fun is. Eine Übung. Ich schenke dem Mann das Fotoalbum. Right, so we have to put dem Mann. I always think start first, work it out, and then decide where you're going to put what where. First of all, it's dem Mann. There's my M, so I-H-M. And then we have das Fotoalbum, which is accusative neuter, and we have S. Now, please, Microsoft Word, I do not need everything put into capital, and I certainly do not want everything underlined. So here we have ihm und es. Ich schenke ihm es, but that's wrong word order, as I already explained. So we have two in the pronouns. The accusative comes first, and your dative comes second. So ich schenke es ihm. That's your first Übung. Done. Now we come up to the next one. Ich gebe Inge den Minirock. Okay, well Inge, if you don't know already, Inge is a girl's name. And den Minirock, rock obviously is a masculine word, and the mini rock is a mini skirt. So we have a dative Inge, even though it's a name, and we have a mini rock being in the masculine accusative. So ich gebe, so if you remember from a previous video, we had, just put it down here for you anyway, it's jemandem etwas geben. So it's to give something to someone. And there's your knowing that the to someone is going to be in the dative case, because I give something to someone. So in this case, Inge is the someone, so that's going to have to be in the dative case. Okay, moving on. We're going to have to put Inge into a pronoun. First of all, Inge, I'm going to have to remember Michael reads my new note, so I'm going to need an R. So it's ear. And then mini rock, going to be in with the N. And then, of course, please, Microsoft, there's no need for this. So now I'm going to get them in the right word order, or here we have our personal pronoun order at least. Ich gebe ihn ihr. So there you have it. So ich gebe Inge den Mini-Rock. Then the first thing you do is get your pronouns, see which pronoun is where, and then you put them into the right place. Now that's a really good idea if you're doing, in your exams, you're doing a grammar section or something like that. Sort of do it out rough first. What is Inge, for example? Oh, that's ear. What's the mini rock? Oh, that's in. Now for the actual exam, I have to put down in ear in that situation. Ute schreibt Otto einen Brief. Now, okay, we have Otto. Again, you write to someone. So jemandem schreiben is to write to someone. There's your dative case. And it's masculine again. So again, what have we got here? We have Ute schreibt, and then ihm would be schreibt. Well, if I put it in the, I won't put Ute schreibt, I'll just put the pronouns in first. It might make it a bit handier for you. And that's ihm, and then ihn. Okay, so that's it. So now I need to put those in the correct order. And if I was in my sentence, I'd write Ute schreibt ihn ihm. Okay, getting that? I'd say you're getting it now at this stage. On to the next one. Der Hund folgt dem Kind nach Hause. Again, der Hund, we have to get something with the same look. So we're going to have a look at er. We'll have the same look. And folgt dem Kind. So remember, Michael reads my, there's M. So ihm nach Hause. So then the answer would be, for the full work, would be folgt ihm nach Hause. Das Buch lag zwischen Peter und Inge auf dem Sofa. I might just put das Buch also into a pronoun, just for the fun of it. Das Buch lag zwischen. Now we have a bit of, as I call the prepositions, the snakes in the grass, because you don't know when they're going to come up to bite you. So zwischen, this is one of these an, auf, hinter, in, neben, über, unter, vor, und zwischen. So that's there. My prepositions can go, they're Wechsel prepositionen, they can go either way. But we know that if a book is lying on the sofa, it's not moving anywhere. So this way we're going to the dative case. What's the dative of Peter? What's the dative of Inge? If we look at Michael reads my new notes, we have to have the dative for Peter ending in M, and the dative for Inge, because she's feminine, ending in R. So, what have we got? We have, for Peter, we'll have ihm and ihr, and then auf dem Sofa. That's another day's work. And what would we put for das Buch? We could have es. And of course, Microsoft wants to put everything in capitals, but it's not going to happen tonight. What should it read like? If you're doing your end work, es lag zwischen ihm und ihr auf dem Sofa. Hast du deinen Aufsatz für heute? Of course, I have said that so many times, and of course the dog has eaten the homework. Oh, now the excuse. Eine Ausrede, an excuse. Es tut leid, ich bringe. I were referring to I'll bring it tomorrow. So the it being the Aufsatz. So I'm sorry. It's a set phrase. Es tut mir leid. Ich bringe ihn morgen mit. Because remember, there's my Aufsatz. It's masculine accusative. Ich verstehe diese Aufgabe nicht. I don't understand this exercise. Kannst du sie mir erklären? Remember the accusative first. Can you explain it to me? Kannst du sie mir erklären? Can you explain it to me? Again, after a while, you know by sound what sounds right, what sounds wrong. But when you're learning it first, to get that situation in, it helps just to have it sort of with the theory grounded into your head. Next bit. Es tut Otto leid, aber kann nicht kommen. So Otto is a boy. So, and you know about leid tun, taking the dative case of the person. So then that's going to be es tut ihm leid. Es tut ihm leid. Kann nicht kommen. He can't come. We're getting nearly there now. Das Buch lag vor. Now vor, an, auf, hinter, in, neben, über, unter, vor und zwischen. One of the Wechselprepositionen again. But this time we know for sure that it's dative because it's lying down. So what have we got here? Das Buch, which we could say as well if you want to put that into a pronoun, but not the task tonight, but we could put it as lag vor. Now, what's the dative case of ich, which is mir, auf dem Tisch? Now, this is really good fun. And then the last one, die Frau, which I replace by sie, steht vor, and I've just explained that for can take either accusative or dative, but when you're standing there, you're not moving. So vor dem Kind, I need to have a preposition with a nem in it. So ihm. Lots of fun and lots of practice. And always try and have a go. Remember, nobody has ever died of a grammar mistake. Always remember that, because there are many people who make grammar mistakes in their native language. So don't be afraid to have a go. Das wäre es. That's it. Und bis zum nächsten Mal beim German Made Easy from Scratch.